Hello, and welcome to today's family program. I'm Dr. Kitcher, and it's always a joy to be with you. I'm so excited. Another beautiful day is here. Let me start by welcoming those of you who are here for the first time, and I hope you feel at home here. It is always, important for us to come together to get some knowledge and empower ourselves so that we can live life to the full. To the rest of us, I want us to, take this moment and invite a friend to invite a friend so that you can watch the program together. And also, our programs are based one on the other. So I will encourage you to watch the previous programs if you haven't, and then you will be abreast with what we're talking about. Well, we're looking into the whole issue of planning our life strategically and getting the best out of life. Life will not give you things automatically. In life, you have to go for what you want. Anything you need in life, I just want to make that statement to you, is available. There is nothing that you need to make your life comfortable or achieve your aims, which is not possible. All things are possible. The only problem is people don't invest into making the things that are possible a reality. People do not, take time to look for stuff. Sacrifice is on the decrease. We don't want to sacrifice our time, our money, and other things in order to achieve what we need most. Prioritization has been an issue for many people because they are unable to know what to do now or what to do next. Previously, when there were so few options as to one need, people really don't have much problems because there are only three options. So if it's not first one, it will be second one or third one. So maybe you have three times to try and maybe you get it. But right now, one thing you need, you may have thousands of options and it makes people so confused. Why is that? Because we have lived our life trying to depend on machines. Machines are created by men. Therefore, if you want to really get the best out of life, you should also learn how to think to get the best out of what has been programmed in the machines. Life is about you getting the best for what you need, for where you're going to, and achieving that aim. It is so important that many people do not invest in appreciating their lives. They just want things to happen. They have desires, they have wishes, they have anticipations. But I want to tell you, desires, wishes, and your anticipations will not materialize by themselves. Somebody said, if you can dream it, you can make it. But for you to make it from the dream, you have to wake up. When you wake up, then you face reality. Oh, it was a dream. Now, how do I actualize the dream? So many people are not able to get to where they want to because they thought once I have had a thought or a dream about it, then it should materialize. It's time to wake up. Wake up from every slumber. Wake up from any laziness. Wake up from everything that is stopping you and go towards the goal. I will talk about a few things that would help you to make sure you arrest your future and you take charge of it and you manage it to the best and to the fullest of your knowledge. You know, you have to tell yourself, I can make it. It is possible that I will achieve this aim. When you are positive about what you have set before you make it possible for you also to go towards it. Whatever does not appeal to you, you are not attracted to it. We are attracted to things that appeal to us. So if you can see the positives of where you are going, you will pay the price now. Somebody said, pay the price now and play later. But many play now and later they will not even have enough to pay the price. So it is very important that you invest in yourself. Maybe you want to enter into, an area of business, but you don't have any expertise. How do you prepare for that? Get some training, get some information, talk to people who are in the field. The beauty about life is there is nothing that you want to do that there is no one who is either doing it or have done it. So you have many people you can, glean resources and take information and advices from. But we don't want to do that because people think because I have this dream, I have to invent every equipment, I have to get everything done, then I feel I have achieved. There are people who have already gone the path that you walk in. And if you're going to go there, you're going to walk in their steps in some ways. So you need to identify those people. You have to be able to know what you need in the now, what you need today, what you need in order for you to achieve that goal and that aim that you have set before you. And when you know those things, you ask yourself the next questions. Am I ready to jump on right now? Do I have the knowledge? Do I have the contacts? Do I have whatever it needs? So when you look at those issues and then you see that you need a contact, so you say now contact not checked, maybe opportunities, few of them checked. So once you know that, then you go looking for what you need. The contact, are you going directly? Are you needing to go through somebody? Or do you maybe appreciate yourself to be the one who will stand also in that same gap? It is so important that we ask ourselves these questions. If you want to succeed in life, you should not just live it anyhow. Life answers to the demands you place on it. If you want the best out of life, then you have to ask the best questions. If you want to enjoy life, then you have to be ready to build the platform or the groundwork that would enable you to enjoy life. For enjoyment, it is one thing. Everybody has, his idea of what enjoyment is. Somebody feels having a party every weekend is enjoyment for him. Another person feels, writing maybe some books to encourage people is an enjoyment. So where your passion is, that is where you would get your enjoyment. And once it is fulfilled, you are happy. And you must be a happy person. Many people die because they do not do what they love. Many people waste away because they did not dare to go where life is gravitating them to. You see, when you do what you love, you do it with all your heart. You do it with or without compensation. You do it any time of the seasons. You will do it because that is who you are. So do what you love and not what you think would make you. You are made by the things that you do naturally, habitually. So strategically plan. These are simple advices, but they are worth everything to take, them seriously so that you can arrive at a place called your destination. We all have destinations to go to. We may start on the same track, but along the way, some may use the U-turn, some may turn right, some may go forward, some may, use a bridge and so on and so forth. But everybody is going to a destination. Once you know your destination, you would identify what kind of transportation will take you to that destination. I'm Dr. Albert Kitcher, and this has been your favorite program, Today's Family. And I want you to know you can achieve anything that you want, so long as you've dreamt it, so long as you've envisioned it, it is possible. Wake up from sleep and begin to do what you got to do. See you next week, same time. And please share this link with your friends. And I look forward to continuing with you. Have a beautiful, beautiful week ahead. Take care. Bye bye.